Hey guys, this video is a warning. Please do not download any Android version of Affinity Publisher. There are several videos here on YouTube. There are also a few links when you search in Google's, and they offer you some APKs that you can download to your Android devices. All of them are scams, all of them are viruses. Do not download them. Take a look. Here I am on the official website of Affinity Publisher. We got a desktop version for Mac and Windows, and there's iPad version, and that's it. No iPhone, no Android phone, no Android tablet versions, not even planned or announced for the future. Alright, so all of those Android versions are scams. They are usually some kind of malware software, viruses and stuff like that. So keep your devices safe, don't download them, stay safe, and let's hope they will actually release the Android version in the future. So this is a warning, don't download this stuff, it's not real. Thank you for today, see you in the next video.